How to apply for UK Naric certificate. So first of all, UK Naric is pretty much now called UK ENIC. So go ahead to your preferred browser and just search for UK ENIC instead of Naric. And it is now managed by something else, but pretty much technically the same thing. So go ahead here, probably the first option, as long as you enter UK ENIC. And from here, you're going to choose the right service. So choose the service you need. For most qualification checks, you are going for statement of comparability, and this will pretty much show your or how your international qualification compares to UK qualifications. So from here, you'll have an overview on everything in this section. You'll see who can get a statement of comparability, and you can also check if you need another service. So you can take a look at that, and you will get your full name, your UK ENIC reference number, name, country, and whatnot. Pretty much what will be included in the statement. And from there, you can just go ahead and press on next to see what documents you will need to proceed with this service. So take a look at the documents, and you will also need to take a look at the cost as well, 69 euros. And you can just go ahead and take a look at the instructions. Just keep on going next, read all of these so you will have everything ready as well. And you'll take a look at this as well. So if you want to start, you can just go to the last section, which is to apply for a statement of comparability. So at this point, you'll probably have everything ready now, but you will also need to create a UK ENIC account. You can go ahead here into the login section to create one. And if your email doesn't work, of course, that means it doesn't have an account yet, and you can just create one from there. But that's pretty much these sections and how you can create or apply for the UK Naric certificate. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.